Alright, let's tackle this question. We'll first look at option A. Option A says storing raw data in its raw format, that is, its usual format. Relational database do not typically store raw data. Relational database organize data into structural format or structured data, we also known as. So let's reject this. We'll look at option B. This is managing transactional data for electronic access. A relational database organizes data in tables with predefined relationships, making it perfect for storing and managing transactional data. So this can be the potential answer. Let's park this. We'll look at option C. C says quick analysis of large and multi-dimensional datasets. While relational database can handle complex queries, they are not specifically designed for a rapid analysis of large and multi-dimensional datasets. Hence, incorrect choice. Let's look at option D. D is handling unstructured data across multiple regions. Relational databases are designed for structured data and not unstructured data. We'll eliminate this. We are left out with option B and we will log this. Alright, let's look at this concept to find out programming related errors. We'll first look at option A. A says debugger. Debugger is specifically designed to help developers understand the behavior of their code in production, analyze the state to identify which is hard to find programming errors. Let's park this. We'll look at option B. B says profiler. Profiler is a tool more focused on performance optimization rather than identifying programming errors. Hence, incorrect choice. Let's look at option C. C says cloud monitoring. Cloud monitoring collects metrics and events and generates insights via dashboard and alerts. Cloud monitoring is not specifically for debugging code, therefore incorrect choice. Let's look at option D. D says trace. This tool provides insights into the performance of applications running in a distributed architecture, but it's not specifically designed to identify again programming errors. So we'll discard this. We are left out with one option, debugger, and we'll log this. Okay, let's look at some medical institution related real world questions. We'll look at option A. A says cloud logging. Cloud logging service is about monitoring and troubleshooting rather than analyzing images as required by the question. Hence, incorrect choice. Let's move to option B. B says cloud profiler. Cloud profiler helps in performance optimization rather than again image analysis. Let's reject this. We'll move to option B. B says app engine. App engine doesn't provide the image analysis capabilities needed for diagnosing health condition. We'll discard this again. We are left out with option D, that is machine learning. Machine learning is designed to analyze and interpret complex data such as images, which is necessary for diagnosing health conditions. This looks good. We'll log this. Let's bring the heat to the snow. We'll first look at option E. E says grant third-party partner privilege access to their cloud network. Granting third-party access could potentially expose sensitive data and systems to security risk, which is not required, therefore incorrect. Let's move to option B. B says transition a portion of their outdated infrastructure to the cloud. Migrating legacy infrastructure to the cloud is a key part of adopting cloud technology, which can provide benefits such as scalability and cost effectiveness. This can be the potential answer. We'll park this. We'll move to option C. C says perform maintenance on existing outdated hardware. Conduct maintenance on their hardware is, while this is necessary, this doesn't help in adopting the cloud as it pertains to maintaining existing on-premise systems. Hence, incorrect choice. Let's move to option D. Option D says allocate more capital expenditure known as capex to current project. The question, if you look, wants to move from native to cloud, right? While In the option, if you look, it focuses on more on capital expenditure. We know that when we move from on premises to cloud, our capital expenditure reduces because we don't have to pay infrastructure cost like rents on the building, payment to the security guards, etc. Moving to cloud means we are focusing more on operational expenditure, also known as OPEX, rather than capital expenditure. This is incorrect. We'll reject this. We are left out with option B, and it is the correct answer. Alrighty, let's look at some security related quiz this time. We'll look at option A. It says lengthen the duration of data retention policies to a minimum of 5 years. Increasing the duration of data retention won't improve the security and could even increase the risk of data breaches which the company is already facing as per the question. Therefore incorrect. Let's move to option B. B says invest more to acquire the most advanced security systems in the market. The most expensive system is not always the best fit for any organization, right? We need to tailor as per our requirement. So investing the most expensive will again be a budget issue first of all, and again may not be required for our current organization. So B is out. Let's move to option C. C says recruit experts in cybersecurity to refine their plan for data protection. Having cybersecurity experts who can continuously monitor, update, and improve the security plan is crucial for long term security. This can be the potential answer. We'll park this. We'll move to option D. D says hold off until a more sophisticated security system becomes available. Waiting for a new system does not address the immediate security concerns. Moreover, it will consume unnecessary delay in improving the current security system which the company is already facing the problem. Therefore, D is out. We are left out with option C, and it is the correct answer. So please don't go away. Let's meet in the next knowledge packed part of this series.